In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your Google Authenticator codes to a new phone. So to do this, first you need to pick up your old phone and then tap on this cloud icon at the top. Now it will say that your codes are now saved to your Google account. Now you need to tap on the profile icon and check the Google account that you are using. Once you have noted the Google account, what you need to do is download and install the Google Authenticator app on your new phone. Now here you need to tap on the profile icon at the top and then choose this sign in option. Now you need to sign in with the same Google account that you are using on your old phone. Once you have added your Google account, tap on the profile icon again and then select the account that you have just added. Now it will ask you to confirm. Simply select continue and all your Google Authenticator codes will show up on the new device as well. So as you can see, these are the same codes that are showing up on the old device.